we write this. This is a 2-coin event. We write 2 times. First we write head, 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 tail, 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 tail. So we get the 8 possible events. Head, 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 tail, head, 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 tail, head, tail, 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 head, head, tail, tail, head, tail, head, tail, 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 tail. So number of outcomes, that is 8. So that is a way of the all possible outcomes in coins are written. If you want to write the 4 coins outcomes, so same process, you write 2 times this, all, fold 1 times, 2 times, so you get 6 outcomes. So if you follow the pattern, so the outcomes is always double, square times. So the total number of outcomes for the coins, total number of outcomes for coin, that is 2 to the power n. Where n is the number of coins. If you check in all, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3. So 2 outcomes, 4 outcomes, 2 to the 4 to the 8 outcomes. Okay, so that is a way of writing the all possible outcomes in 1 coin, 2 coin and 3 coin. And how so many terms are in these questions. I am not saying these terms used in coins, the terms used in all concepts. Which terms? If one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If I say greater than 5, that means you counting from greater, no, after greater, then from 5, no, that is after 5. Greater than 5 means more than 5, so that is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Less than 5, so less than is from starting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no. Okay, you also count 0. 0 is also outcomes. No. But if the question number is starting from 1, so then you does not count the 0. For natural number, so not count 0, starting from 1. At least 5, or next term is at most 5. At least means kam se kam. So you starting from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. if you similarities between them, there is greater than or at least 5. So that means greater than 5 means after 5, at least 5 means from 5. Means this is also include. Or most 5 means maximum 5. So starting from, what's the minimum value? It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also include. So this is the concept difference between these greater than, at least, and less than, and at most. Okay, and equal, you know, no problem. So pause the video and note down. So if we toss 3 coins, find the all possible outcomes and also find the probabilities of, we write that. So all possible outcome, head, tail, we write the here. Head, tail, tail, we write 2 times. Head, tail, 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 head, tail. This is the 8 possible outcomes for this. Okay, and the question, find the probability of all faces are same. So all faces same are in which? This and this. Both head, tail. So 2 by 8, 1 by 4. Then if I say all 3 faces are different, 0 by 8, because the coin have only 2 faces. So head, tail. So no, all 3 faces are different. If I say head, tail, and falana, so all faces different. So no event which have all faces are different, that is 0 upon 8. If I say probability of one head, so how many outcomes are one head? 1, 2, 3. 3 by 8. Probability of 2 head, probability of 3 head, probability of no head, probability of greater than 2 head, probability of less than 2 head. So if we talk about the heads, so first we write the number of heads. Here 3 heads, 2 heads, 2 head, 1 head, 2 head, 1 head, 1 head, 0 head. If 3 coin toss, so 0 head means 3 tail. That's concept is clear. 2 head means 2 head, 1 tail. 1 head means 1 head and 2 tail. Okay. 3 head means 3 head and 0 tail. So the same concept in your mind, you have to solve to start the question. Probability of 2 head. So how many have 2 head? 3. 3 by 8. 3 head, only 1. Good. 1 by 8. No head, 1 by 8. No head means no head, 0 tail. greater than 2 head. Greater than 2 means only 1, because it have more than 2. Less than 2 means less 2 means 1 and also include 0. Okay, that's many students are missed. Less than 2 means 1 and 0 both. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 8, 1 by 2. If I write probability of at least 2 head, probability of at most 2 head, 2 heads, 3 heads. Okay, so probability of at least 1 head and 1 tail. Probability of at least 1 head or 1 tail. There are two different things. Here we have to use and here use or. Okay, so first we discuss these three. At least 2 head means कम से कम 2 head. So 2, this, at least 2. So 2 and all greater than 2. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 8, 1 by 2. At most 2 head means 2 or less than 2. So 2 and less than 2 also. 1, 0 means 0 head, 1 head, 2 head. That is 7 by 8. That means the same process use here. At least 1 head and 1 tail means the outcomes have at least 1 head and 1 tail. 1 head and 1 tail both. This. This have 1 head but no tail. This have 1 tail but no head. So we want and means both head and tail. So 6 by 8, 3 by 4. 1 head or 1 tail means either 1 head, so counted. So probability of at least 1 head or 1 tail. Or means 1 head is countable, 1 tail also countable. So all having 1 head or 1 tail means out of these two any outcomes occur, so you can take it. So 8 by 8, that is 1. Okay. So pause the video and note down. Now see the next topic of probability. That's a dice. Dice, Ludo game, you know that. It's a dice. Have 6 faces. Number written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, two things. When we throw 1 dice, so when we throw 1 dice, so what types of event you have to get? What types of possible outcomes you get? Many questions are come from this topic. So what types of outcomes? Either you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If two dice throw, so how many outcomes you come? How many faces in dice? Number of total outcomes. This formula not in your syllabus, but for your knowledge, we explain how we find the total number of outcomes. Just like if I say in coin, to the power n means 2 is the number of face and n is the number of coins. So same logic here. Number of faces to the power number of event. Just like dice, coins, etc. So if I say 1 dice, so 6 faces power 1. So that is 6 outcome. 2 dice, 6 faces, 2 dice, 6 equal to 36 outcomes. Means 36 is the total number of possible outcomes. Means if you throw 2 dice, you are getting 36 outcomes, 6 equal to. So first we discuss when we throw 1 dice, so we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. Even 2, 4, 6. Odd 1, 3, 5. Prime 2, 3, 5. 1 is neither prime nor composite. Okay. Composite 4 and 6. So these types of questions are coming from when we throw 1 dice. If I say when we throw 1 dice, find the probability of getting a prime number. So prime is 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 by total 6. So 3 by 6, 1 by 2. Probability of composite number 2 by 6. Probability of even number 3 by 6. Okay. So these types of questions coming from throwing 1 dice. But when we throw 2 dice, so there is total number of outcome is 36. So which types of outcomes you have to getting? 2 dice. 1 faces 1, other faces 1. 1, 2. First die, second dice. First die, second die. First die, second die. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5 and 6, 6. This is the 36 outcomes when we are throwing 2 dice. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. So many questions are coming from throwing 2 dice. 1 dice in class 9 also, 2 dice also in class 9. 3 dice is not in your syllabus, but if you want to find the total number of possible outcomes throwing 3 dice, so 6 to the power 3. So 216 outcomes. But if I say the number, find the probability of the getting both faces are prime. Find the prime probability. The sum is 8. These both questions we have taken when we throw 2 dice. Why we take these 2 questions? If you see, these 2 are the different questions. First question is basis on the face and second question basis on the sum. If I say what is the minimum sum when you throw 2 dice, so you say 2, sir. Why? At least one comes in each dice, so the sum is 2. And the maximum sum is 6, 6, 12. So the sum is varying between 2 to 6. From 2 to 6. Sorry, from 2 to 12. So, first questions from the faces. Both faces are prime. Means when you throw 2 dice, so the coming outcomes sing. So, in the both faces are prime. So, in first line, 1 is not prime, so no one are both prime. Second line, first prime, and in second line, this. These 3 are both faces are prime. 2, 2, both prime. 2, 3, 2, 5, same. 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5. 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 5. So there are 9 outcomes which have both faces are prime upon 36. So 1 by 4. Find the probability of getting both faces are prime. Sum is 8. What sum is 8? Means when we throw 2 dice, the sum of the facing number is 8. So the sum is 1 plus 6, 7. 2, 1, 3, that's 6, 2, 2, 1, 6, 8. In second line, 3, 5, 8. Third line, 4, 4, 8. Third line, fourth line, 5, 3, 8. 6, 2, 8. Any more? This sum is 8. No one. So we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 by 36. The sum is 8. Take one more example. If I say probability of the sum is at least 6 and the sum is at most 6. At least 6 means कम से कम 6 means 6 or greater than 6. So we have to make a line. 6, 6, 6. These are the curved lines. Below all the numbers are either 6 or more than 6. You see all things. Means these line are the 6 numbers. That sum is 6. So after this all the numbers have sum is more than 6. So how many total numbers? Count them. Is a more. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 numbers are less than 6. So less than 10 numbers. So we have 36 minus 10, 26. Means below these lines there are 26 numbers with the sum is at least 6. 26 upon 36, 13 by 18. At least sum 6 means sum is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. They are included. Sum is at most 6 means not more than 6. But 6 we have taken, means sum is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 0, 1, 2, 1 is not possible in throwing 2 dice. So we take 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this line is the division by the sum is 6. So this number and including above all the numbers. So that is the 10 numbers, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 by 36. So we get 5 by 12. Okay, I hope so you understand. Pause the video and note down the concept.